Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Miss Lucy English Channel. I'm Lucy, and my heart is so full of joy knowing you're here with me today. If this is your first time, a big warm hug and welcome. You found a cozy, loving space where English learning feels gentle, kind, and full of encouragement. Today, we're talking about something many of you have shared with me, a very common and honest struggle. Lucy, I understand English when I listen or watch, but when it's time to speak, my mind goes completely blank. I freeze. The words disappear. I can't get them out. If this has ever happened to you, please know you're not alone. This happens to almost every English learner at some point. Beginners, intermediate, even advanced students. It's not because you're bad at English. It's not because you're slow or not talented. It's because understanding and speaking are two completely different skills, and most of us practice one much more than the other. In this episode, I want to hold your hand and walk you through why this happens and give you 6 gentle, simple, practical tips to help you start speaking more, feel less afraid, and grow your confidence day by day. We'll go slowly, repeat important ideas with love, and practice together. As always, feel free to speak out loud with me. This episode is perfect for shadowing. Repeat after me, match my rhythm and voice, and let your English flow. Even 5 minutes of speaking practice today can make a big difference. Ready? Take a deep breath with me. In and out. Smile. Wonderful. Let's begin. First, let's understand clearly why understanding feels easy, but speaking feels so hard. Understanding is passive. When you listen to a podcast or watch a movie, your brain is receiving English. You're sitting comfortably, you're absorbing. You just need to know the meaning. No pressure to produce anything. Your brain is like a sponge taking in water. It's relaxing. It's safe. Speaking is active, completely different. When you speak, you have to do many things at the same time and fast. Think of what you want to say, ideas, find the right words quickly, put the words in the correct order, grammar, make the correct sounds and pronunciation, say it all in real time, without long pauses. This is a lot of work. Even advanced learners feel this pressure sometimes. Your brain has to switch from receiving mode to producing mode. It's like changing from passenger to driver in a car. It takes practice to feel comfortable driving. The big truth: most learners spend 90% of their time in receiving mode, listening, reading, watching, and only 10% or less in producing mode, speaking, writing. That's why understanding grows fast, but speaking stays stuck. Speaking is a muscle. You only get stronger by using it, not by watching others use it, not by thinking about it, by doing it. So today, we're going to focus on using your voice gently, without fear, step by step. Here are 6 loving, practical tips to help you speak more and feel more confident. Tip 3. Speak to yourself every single day. It's the secret power. This tip is simple, free, private, and incredibly powerful. If you want to speak English well, you must speak English every day. But many say, Lucy, I have no one to talk to. I don't live in an English-speaking country. I don't know native speakers. I completely understand that feeling. Here's the good news. You don't need anyone else. You can speak to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. It may feel a little strange at first, but trust me, this works wonders. Millions of successful learners do it. Why is speaking to yourself so helpful? You can do it anytime, anywhere. At home, in the car, on a walk, while cooking, even in the shower. No schedule, no pressure, no judgment. You train your brain to find words faster. You build fluency without fear. You learn to think in English naturally. What to say? Start simple. Describe what you're doing right now. I'm making coffee now. It's raining outside. I love the sound. I need to charge my phone. I'm opening the window. Fresh air feels good. Talk about your day. I feel a little tired today. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I want to go for a walk later. Ask yourself questions. What do I want for dinner tonight? Why is learning English important to me? How can I practice more tomorrow? Even act out short conversations alone. Hello, how can I help you today? Hi, I'd like a coffee, please. Sure. Anything else? No, thank you. Just that. Play both parts. You're the customer and the waiter. Do this every day, even 5 or 10 minutes. Your brain will start thinking in English. You'll stop translating so much. You'll feel more ready to speak with real people. And the best part? It's completely private. No one is watching. No one is judging. You can make mistakes, laugh at yourself, try again. This is like going to the gym for your English mouth and brain. Every time you speak out loud to yourself, you're exercising your fluency. After a few weeks, you'll notice words come faster, sentences feel smoother. You'll feel proud. So start today. Talk to yourself with love. You're your own best English partner. Tip 4. Use AI as your 24/7 speaking friend. This is a modern, wonderful tip that many learners love. AI like ChatGPT, Pi, Copilot, or other language apps is always ready to talk. 24 hours a day, never tired, never impatient, never judging your mistakes. You can speak English with AI every single day, and it's safe and fun. How to start? Open ChatGPT or your favorite AI app. Say or type, "Hi, I'm learning English. Can we talk slowly and simply?" Or, "Let's practice a short conversation in a cafe." Speak out loud. Many apps have voice mode. The AI will listen and reply. Ask, "Please correct me gently," or "Speak slowly," or use easy words. Example conversations. I went to the store and bought bread and milk. Change feeling. I had to go to the store again. So annoying. Change grammar. I'm going to the store right now. Change subject. My sister went to the store this morning. Make it question. Did you go to the store? Do this with any sentence. It helps you think quickly, add ideas, use grammar naturally, express emotions. You're not memorizing, you're creating English. You are not memorizing, you are creating English. Practice this 5 minutes a day. Choose one sentence and make 8 to 10 versions out loud. Your brain becomes flexible and fast. My friend, you are amazing for wanting to speak. These 6 tips are gentle ways to use your voice daily. Don't wait for perfection. Learn chunks. Speak to yourself. Use AI. Practice 4-3-2. Stretch sentences. Start small today. Even one tip. Speak out loud right now. Say with me, I can do this. I am learning. I am speaking. Feel those words. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep using your voice with love. Fluency will come slowly, surely, beautifully. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Lucy, and I'm proud of you. Keep speaking, keep believing, keep shining. Bye for now.